Hey guys, Kyle from Coz3D here, and we've got some new news on our old Coz3D Jetpack. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up? So today we've got some design changes to our jetpack kits. I wanted to go over them with you real quick. So the old jetpack, we've never been happy because it's a very flat 90-degree face on the top plate. But we've gone and redesigned this part, this top plate, in the fashion of what was more screen accurate. So now we've got a nice little, well, hold off on putting that in, but we've got a nice little swoop. As you can see, it's like everything else on our packs. It's very modular. It just drops in. A little bit of glue in the front here, glue in the back, and then you've got a small seam here that you'll have to seal and maybe a little bit of Bondo work on. But we just thought we need to be more screen accurate, and there you go. So now we've got that. And as a bonus today, we are going with our current 15-inch kits. We are in production for the massive full-size, almost 18-inch kit. So stay tuned to our Etsy store. Make sure you like and subscribe, and keep an eye out for this bad boy when it hits our Etsy store.